Hey Joey, this is Thomas with CMC Tech. I'm going to show you how to install 1, 2, or 3 cameras on our solar kit. For a single camera, you get a 50-watt panel. For 2 or 3 cameras, you get the 100-watt panel. It's much bigger. Okay, but for one camera, you get a 50-watt panel. The bracket is already mounted on the panel. You just have to strap this pole mount bracket on the pole. It comes with 3 straps. It can go on round or square pole, and this is a 8-inch diameter strap. We have longer ones, just let us know, okay? For single camera, you have a 50-watt, the pole mount, and 1 battery box. The camera can be mounted onto the battery box. In the bottom of this, there's 4 screws holding a piece of plate like this, and you can mount your camera on this. And there's a 12-volt power inside. There's multiple 12-volt powers. For the Wi-Fi, we have this Wi-Fi bridge. It's also 12-volt power. You get the 12-volt from the battery box, and the Ethernet from the camera to one of these ports. The camera will be powered with 12-volt also from this box. Now if you have 2 cameras, you go with the 100-watt panel with the same mount strapped to the pole, because this mount is tested to hold over 200 pounds. You mount the first camera on the box, and the second camera will be on this bracket, and then you can strap to the pole. You get the power, 12-volt power, from the box to the second camera, and then you have an Ethernet cable go to one of these ports. Now with 3 cameras, you're gonna have 2 of this box, and you're gonna have 1 camera on the first box and the second camera on the second box, and the third camera will be on this one. Again, strap to the pole, connect to the Wi-Fi bridge. There's no PoE required because everything is powered with 12-volt. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.